The Tamron 28-75mm f2.8 di III VXD G2 lens is renowned for its exceptional resolution and compact size, making it an ideal choice for Sony E-mount full-frame mirrorless cameras. Featuring a fast and quiet VXD linear motor, this lens ensures high speed and high precision autofocus, which is perfect for capturing those fleeting moments. With a minimum object distance of 7.1 inches at the wide end, this lens allows for creative close-up photography with a maximum magnification ratio of 1 to 2.7. The redesigned optical system offers edge-to-edge sharpness throughout the entire zoom range, along with the beautiful bokeh effects characteristic of fast aperture lenses. This lens boasts a moisture-resistant construction and fluorine coating, providing durability and protection against the elements. The improved ergonomic design and scratch-resistant exterior coating make this lens both user-friendly and robust for photographers on the go.